red color, pink color, black color, orange color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color, yellow color, purple color, light pink color, green color, and blue color. So kids, now you draw A and use blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. T for dog. Kids, now you draw E and use yellow color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H and use light green color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. Kids, now you draw L and use sky blue color. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use orange color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use light pink color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U and use black color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. Kids, now you draw X and use red color. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Yellow color, blue color, yellow ochre color, green color, red color, and black color. So kids, now you draw A and use yellow color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. T for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. So kids, now you draw H and use blue color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. So kids, now you draw O and use yellow ochre color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V and use green color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Brown color. Light pink color. Sky blue color. Yellow color. Red color. Blue color. Orange color. Pink color. Black color. Green color. Purple color. Light green color. So kids, now you draw one and use light pink color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use green color. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use red color. 11, 12, 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15 and use yellow color. 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19 and use blue color. 19, 20, 21. Kids, now you draw 22 and use orange color. 22, 23, 24, 25. Kids, now you draw 26 and use brown color. 26, 27, 28, 29, third color, yellow ochre color, green color, yellow color, black color, and red color. So kids, now you draw one and use blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use yellow ochre color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use green color. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Kids, now you draw 16 and use yellow color. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.